Hi everyone, this is the continuation of the final part of lab 1, which is to create a layout. For this, in step 1, on the ribbon, click the insert tab and then click the import layout button. In step 2, choose the title bar letter landscape layout. Then in step 3, in the contents pane, double click map frame. The map frame pane will appear. And in step 4, under options for map frame, choose Central Business District. In step 5, on the ribbon, click the Layout tab. In the map group, click Bookmarks and choose the Central Business District bookmark that you bookmarked earlier. The map will extend to your area of interest. Next, in step 6, in the contents pane, double click the map title. Now the map title pane will appear. And in step 7, under the options for text, delete the text that is there and then type another name such as downtown Singapore. And then click anywhere outside the box so that the changes are updated. Now the change is applied. And in step 8, in the contents pane, double click the legend. And in step 9, click text symbol, expand appearance and change color to Arctic white. In step 10, apply those changes. And in step 11, at the top of the pane, click the legend drop down arrow and then choose background. In step 12, for color, choose no color. And in 13, apply those changes. In step 14, in the layout view, drag the legend so you can drag and move the legend. So that it appears in the lower corner of the map. And in step 15, in the contents pane, double click the scale bar. In step 16, in the element pane, click the display button. In step 17, under the background, change the following parameters. For symbol, change it to gray 30%. For X gap type, 0.1. For Y gap type, 0.1. And then click anywhere to apply those changes outside the box. And in step 18, click and extend the scale and then make it to the extent of 1 mile by extending it. And after that, in step 19, click and drag the scale bar to align with the edge of the layout and the title. So you can move the scale bar as well as the legend around. Now your layout is complete. In step 20, save this project. Now we need to export this layout to an image file. In step 21, on the ribbon, click the Share tab, and in the Output group, click the Export Layout button. The Export Layout pane is now seen. And in step 22, in this Export Layout pane, for file type, you can choose your preferred image file format that you want to save. And while saving, for your name, browse to your preferred output location and change the file name to any name that you want to give. For instance, downtown Singapore. And then click save, and then in step 23, click export. Now you can view your final prepared map. Make sure that when you prepare your map that your extent of the scale is 1 mile, and then the map is neat and clean, and all the elements are present in the map, and it is really neat with details in it, and your final map is ready. That's all. Thank you.